Are you looking for the best juicers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best juicers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. If you hate prep work, the centrifugal Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is the juicer for you. The 3.5-inch wide feed tube can accommodate a whole apple. Unique rivets on the top of the feed tube help easily position and guide ingredients into the juicer. In our tests, it juiced carrots and kale the fastest and was a top performer when it came to juicing apples. The resulting juices all tasted sweet and were pulp-free. Though a centrifugal juicer, this model features cold spin technology, which Breville claims ensures an insignificant temperature increase while juicing, and we confirmed it produced juice at similar temperatures to the cold press juicers we tested. The juicer's dial is easy to use with helpful speed descriptors, slow for soft fruit, high for hard vegetables. The large, 70-ounce pitcher and heavy-duty lid were nice bonuses, perfect for serving extra large batches or storing leftovers. The pitcher even has a froth separator. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Premium Big Mouth Centrifugal Juicer. This fuss-free juicer is around $120, before additional sales, affordable for this category, and it performed well in our lab testing. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, fast and makes smooth, pulp-free juice. The 3-inch feed tube fits bigger pieces of fruit and veggies, and it comes with a large 40-ounce pitcher with a lid and froth separator. Several parts are dishwasher safe, and it also comes with an innovative cleaning tool that wipes away the pulp from the inside, outside and bottom of the cutting blade in one swipe, all while protecting your fingers. Although the juicer was a little loud in our lab tests, the price, speed, and results make up for it. Number 3. Breville Juice Fountain Elite. Breville's Juice Fountain Elite is a top-notch juicer that powered through sturdy fruits and vegetables more quickly, and quietly, than most juicers we tested. The resulting juice from our lab test was smooth, creamy, and pulp-free. It comes with a 1.1 quart juice jug with a froth separator and a 3.2 quart pulp container, which means you can juice a larger amount of produce in one session. But note that this does mean the machine requires a fair amount of counter space. It has a large 3-inch wide feeding tube to fit bigger fruits and veggies, and there are 2 speed options, so you can juice both hard and soft ingredients. The juicing mechanism contains a titanium-reinforced disc and an Italian-made micro-mesh filter basket made out of stainless steel. Breville claims both are designed for optimum juice and nutrient extraction. Number 4. NutriBullet Slow Masticating Juicer Machine. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer comes with the basics you need at an entry-level price point. Accessories include a multi-purpose strainer, a juice container with visible volume markings, a pulp collecting container, and a scrub brush for easy cleaning. The juicer is intuitive to assemble thanks to the design of the strainer, which only allows you to insert it into the juicing chamber one way. The 3-inch wide chute can fit large pieces of fruits and veggies, and a smaller section accommodates thinner ingredients. The mechanism is also easier to clean than others, which are often narrower with more pieces and crevices. Our initial tests yielded 1 cup of apple juice from 3 apples, which is the same impressive amount we juiced from the larger, more powerful juicers we tested. But we did note that there's only 1 speed setting. It's relatively quiet, and the no-drip spout lets you easily pour your juice when ready. An included recipe book provides tips on juicing and other fun options like using leftover pulp for cooking and baking. Number 5. Omega JC 2022 GY11 Slow Masticating Cold Press Juicer. A new masticating juicer model from Omega. This makes batch juicing even easier thanks to the extra large, 68-ounce hopper that requires minimal fruit and veggie prep. You simply fill the hopper with a bunch of fruit and veggies, most of them can be whole, and then let the juicer self-feed and juice all by itself. There is also a 60-second memory feature that helps the model remember the rotation and operation that was last used. The machine will alert you with a noise when the lid is open, and it automatically shuts off so you don't hurt your fingers when refilling the hopper. In our testing, we found the juicing operation to be a bit slower than other cold press models tested. The carrot juice it produced was sweet and earthy with only a little bit of pulp. We also appreciated how easy this juicer was to put together and that it comes with minimal pieces for easy storage. The all-in-one auger crushes and separates the juice from its pulp. There is no fine mesh juicing screen, which is usually the hardest piece to clean in a juicer, making this one of the easiest juicers to hand wash. But keep in mind that the parts aren't dishwasher safe.